Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC. We are going to see about the export field and object definition in Salesforce Dev Tools. If your company uses Salesforce to support multiple divisions, it would be great if you are able to export object and field definitions. It would prevent the creation of multiple fields to serve the same purpose and would allow us to have a better visibility and we prepare data integration documents. These objects and fields are exported into Excel so that all the definitions like data types and other privileges can be viewed in single Excel. Let me show you in the demo. Go to the home page and click this icon and open Salesforce Dev Tools and search for the object which you want to export the definition. Now I am choosing account object. Click the export button. Here you can have two options. One is object definition full, object field definition. Object full definition also contains object field definition also. So right now I am exporting that one. It will take some time to prepare the data, and if you choose the profiles and it will export the whole profile and its privileges. Now the details are exported. If you want a single profile, you can choose that profile and you can export so that the related permission will be shown to you. Here in the first sheet, the object level details will be given. Here we don't have validation rules or apex trigger or workflows. Otherwise, the details of those will be visible here. Go to the second sheet. This is the field level definitions. Here field names and its API names and its data types and all other related permissions can be viewed here. Profile wise permissions also can be viewed here. This structure will help you to create a RDMS related tables based on this Excel. This is the use of object and field definition. We are going to see how to export the page layouts and list view information using Salesforce Dev Tools extension. Let's go. Go to the home page and click this icon so that Salesforce Dev Tool will be opened, and select any account and click export and click page layout. It will export page layout details in Excel. You can see the whole information about the fields in particular layout. You can see the label name, API name and its data types and its relative position in that layout, left or right, and whether it is read only or required for that particular layout. All these informations are shown here. Apart from that, it shows custom links and buttons available in that layout and related list of that account like contact, opportunities, cases and whatever related lists are there, all shown here. If you feel why account sales layout is exported, means according to your profile, account sales layout is assigned. That's the reason it got exported. If account layout is assigned to your profile, account layout details will be exported. Now, for list view, once again go to the home and choose any object and export and click list view. List view details will be exported same like in Excel. If you click it and open it, you can see all the list views in that particular object. We are going to see about the query editor option in Salesforce Dev Tool. Similar to Salesforce Inspector extension, here also we have an inbuilt query editor. No need to go to developer console to perform query processing. By using this extension, we can directly export the query results as Excel files. Let's go and see it. Go to the home page and click this icon and search any object. Here I am once again choosing account and click this button for query editor. Automatically some query has been already written here. If you want to choose any other fields which has to be processed, you can choose as per your wish and query it, and you can see the details here itself. And if you want to redirect to this particular record, if you click it, automatically it will be redirected here itself. All these options are available, and click export and export all, and it will be exported in Excel format. But still I feel Salesforce Inspector is better and qualitier than this tool. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.